Totoo, ang buhay pag-agong masakit. May pagsakit. Ano po? May suffering. Once you already wear your rings, igwanening kaakibat na pagsakit.
Hey wildflower, where'd you go?
Kaya ang buhay pag-agong, bako sa naman yung madali, bako lang ni kaugmahan, may pagsakit man, suffering, part na iyan kan buhay pag-agong. Pero, dainin din re-resolbaran individually, but bilang saro.
Be honest, we could be hard. We could be all the things we swore we are.
Hindi ako makatubod na dating pangarap kong babae, ganyan, kaibahan ko na sa altar. Itong babae na kinukulit ko lang dati, iyo pala si mabago ang buhay.
For the past 6 years, dahil naging madali gabos. Kada kulon kitang pinag-agihan. Masakit, maugma, pero dahil sa pagpadangat sa kada saro, dinara kita igdi. Thank you so much sa pagtiyaga, pagtubod sa pagpadangat.
The light within, we could be honest, we could be hard. We could be all the things we swore we are.
Bako na kamong duwa, hindi saro na sana, saro na lang kamo. Di na kamo nagkakanya-kanya. You're no longer two flesh, but one flesh. Pinagsaro kamo ng Diyos, di kamo piling pagsuhan.
Everyone inside, every path we tried, every tear we cried.
Dati, kang mayo ka pa sa buhay ko, akala ko okay na, maugma na ako. Kontento na ako kung ano lang igos ako. Pero kung nabistado ta ka, nagabot ka sa ko, kadakol nagbago sa buhay ko.
Thank you so much for being an inspiration, good provider, and for being me. Today, I chose you not only as my husband, but as my best friend, my partner, and my home.
We could be all the things we swore we are.
Aside from suffering, you will also wear bearing. Childbearing. Magkakaakit ka mo. Childbearing. Mataman ka mo. Mapadakula ka mo ng pamilya.
I promise to love you every season of life, the joyful days, the challenging moments, and everything in between.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa imo kasi grabing pinag-agihan ta, dawa gura nung problema, dahil ka nagbutas. Dawa halos daw na kita, yaong kapatid mo sa katahid ko.
Kaasawa ka na, dapat unawaan kayo. Basta laging nandyan si Lord. Dapat para laging okay kayo.
Nandyan rin kami.
Nandito din kami.
It's like this life is like lightning, flash in the pan. Catch it if you can before you burn out. Let loose, let your chain hang down. Time to level up, son, make your mind proud. When it's over, it's over. Overtime ain't an option. Not dropping the beat could come back to haunt you. Out your seat, suit up and run the gauntlet. Go hard and all, you can't stop it. Reach up, reel it in, breathe. Take it when, stand up, let me see you do it. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Coming in too hard, kid, can't hit the brake. Run, running it, come catch a fade. Done with the dummy, real talk all the way. Click on your mommy, dead man of the day. Banging on the beat, round, shake.
Nag-start na magkabisadoan kami before pandemic.
2 years na siya nangungulit sa chat. Tapos hindi talaga ako sa kanya hindi talaga ako sa kanya nagre-reply.
Can't count the years on one hand that we've been together. I need the other one to hold.
Siguro dala na rin ang yung boredom ko during pandemic. Si Mac, nag-chat siya sa akin. Tapos tinatanong niya kung saan daw yung bahay ko.
Siyempre, makulit kita Hanggang sa pinansin niya ako. Siyempre, nagkaigong pagkakataon, kaya di ko na hinayaan na. Siyempre, masayang pa.
Super na-miss ako sa kanya kasi nga pinuntahan niya talaga ako sa bahay kahit ang daming ang daming sagabal, ang daming checkpoint. Tapos yun, doon na siya nag-start.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on our worst nights,
Good luck sa pagpamilya mo. Aligasyon mo pag nagagawa ka ng aki.
Saro man lang ang sasabihin ko. Ingatan mo ang pamilya mo. As in, magiging mga aki mo. Yun man lang.
at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you.
Masasabi ko lang sa mga aki, magmahalan. Kasi magpadakol ng aki. Tanganing maghigos.
Drive back to my house. I told you that I loved you. You felt the weight of the world fall off your shoulder.
Kaya hanggang unya,
Until your favorite song
yun na nakaabot kami dito. Sabi niya kaya, kadakol man lang pwedeng dumanan, simbahan man lang paduduman.
Kaya para may benefits pa rin yung pandemic sa akin. Nahanap ko yung dawan ko.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on our worst nights, I'm into you. Little
Bakit ba lang puro kaugpahan ang buhay pag-agaw? May gawa man yan mga down moments, boring moments. Kaya gawa man ring na boring. Pinaka-importante sa gabos, hindi inapod na caring. Pagmangno, pag-aruga.
something's just makes sense.
Thank you for loving me, believing me, and choosing me every day. I promise to stand by your side, support your dreams, and encourage you to become the best version of yourself.
I'm into you.
Kaya kamuyaon sa tubang ng altar. Taang nasa tahaw ni Dos Jesus, binabasbasan ang sa inyong paghihinagutan. Kaya, dahil doon yung paglingawan, the last ring is remembering.
I am excited to build our future together, to grow old with you, and to make countless memories by your side. With all my heart, today and always, I chose you. I love you and I will love you for the rest of my life.
I'm into you. Little
Ngunya na aldaw na ini, pinapangako ko sa Diyos, napapadangaton ta ka, trerespeton ta ka. Salamat sa gabos, tapermi kang yaon. I love you.
time, I'm still into you.